Hey there, I'm Chris Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and welcome back for another question session. Today's question is, how do I determine how much square footage I need when I'm buying a property? That's an interesting question. Everybody's a little bit different. I have some people that are in front of me who love condos and they don't need a lot of space. They're more minimalist, which I kind of am myself, and then other people who really need spaciousness and they really need to live the dream. So, if you were thinking about buying a property, I will tell you that there becomes a difference in the feel of a property really when you get around that 2,000 to 2,500 square feet, and then again when you jump up to 3,000 square feet. What you usually get if you go to a 3,000 square feet home, which is really prevalent in Atlanta, is you really get more living spaces. In a 3,000 square foot home, you're more likely to have a formal living and a formal dining on top of having a family room. You're also more likely to have a bigger open kitchen and probably going to be at least at about 4 bedrooms, 2.5 or 3 baths. If you're at 2,500 square feet, you could be anywhere between 3 to 4 bedrooms, but you may only have one of those living spaces. For instance, you may give up a formal dining or you may give up a formal living room. These are kind of some of the trade-offs. If you go down to 2,000 square feet, you'll probably give up the formal living and the formal dining. You'll still have a great room. You'll still have a pass-through, eat-in kitchen kind of area where you'll be able to set up a dining room table, but you'll diminish some of the space of the house. If you go below that, you really get into efficiency and the size of the rooms really begin to change. So if you're at 1,800 or 1,500, you'll see a difference in the size. Now that's really a lot to do with two-story homes. When you're in ranch homes have the appearance to feel bigger because they're longer on one floor. So you can see a lot of variation. If you've got questions about what kind of home is right for you or what size home is right for you, we'd be happy to answer it for you. Definitely follow us and reach out to us, and we'd be happy to help.